So the final part of the photo essay project is this. You need to save your photo essays and turn them into something that we call a screencast. Basically what a screencast is it's a way to capture everything that's on your computer screen and narrate it as it goes by. This is how I've done all of the tutorials so far, and it's pretty easy to do. So in order to create your screencast, you're first going to have your photo essay PowerPoints open, and then you'll go down to Safari. Once you open up Safari, you'll go right to the Southgate 6 website. And you'll find the link to Screencast-O-Matic on any one of our 3 pages. So I'll just click on mine for now, and then I'll scroll to the bottom where the tutorials are, and click Screencast-O-Matic. And this is the page that will come up. So what you'll do is you'll hit Start Recording. And you'll notice that it's loading. Now yours will probably come up blank, but because I've tried another one before, mine comes up. So if that's the case, you just have to hit delete. And then you should see the black and white dotted lines going around. I'm just going to minimize the Screencast-O-Matic page and the Southgate 6 page. So you'll see the black and white dotted line going around. You'll see a toolbar up here that has a red record button. You can kind of see there's a microphone with some green lines going through. That's picking up my voice and how loud I'm speaking. So what I'll do is I'll make sure that my PowerPoint is within these black and white dotted lines, because that tells me exactly what is going to be captured on my screen. Now you have 2 ways to choose to record a screencast. You can either click the red record button, or on your keyboard you can use the Option key, and if you hold it down and then press the letter P, it will also do the same thing. So I'm going to try the Option P for right now. What I want to do is I want to get my slideshow up and on the screen. So you can see right now that most of my slideshow is included. I'm just going to adjust these in a little bit, and because of the way the slideshow is, you might not get to see it right away. So I'll adjust these, and then I'll go back to the slideshow format, and then I'm going to hold down Option and hit the letter P, and it's counting down for me, 3, 2, 1. Now you can see I have the red line all the way around. That tells me that I'm recording. So basically all I need to do right now is just talk. I'll flip through my PowerPoint, I'll read whatever my photo essay text is that goes along with each picture. I'll move through the presentation until I get all the way to the end. So I'll just advance mine to the end, and then it will click off. Now to end the PowerPoint, if you have your record button up here, you can just hit that red record button, or where it says done. Since I have my screen recording all the way to the top, it doesn't show that anymore. So I have to hit Option and P again. So it paused it. So I have to now find that red record button, which I'll be able to do once I move this down so that I can see, you can see up here now it has this. Once I hit done, it will give me a preview. So if I hit the play button, now you can see I have the red line all the way around. That tells me that I'm recording. So basically all I need to do right now, so you can preview back what you've done and see if you like it. If you're happy with it, what you're going to do is click Save to Video File. And then up in the video type, you can save it as any type of file you like. I usually choose AVI. And then click Save Video. Here you'll give it a name, so I might say Photo Essay. And you'll list where you want to save it. Mine is going to be saved to the desktop. And click Save. You'll see that it's working. It kind of goes through and it will give you a progress bar right here of how much has been recorded. And if I minimize this screen, you can see right on my desktop, right here I have a file that says photoessay.avi. That's where it's saving to. So eventually, once the whole project has been saved, it will give me kind of a picture of what was actually going on inside. You can see now this has just turned gray. Once it gives me that picture, I can then open it to see exactly what it looks like and to view it. So it's kind of going a little bit slowly. Usually it goes a little bit quicker. There might be a lot of people on the site right now. But once I actually get it, I can double click on it. This is one I've done earlier, and play it in a video player, whichever one is chosen. So play around with that, try it, see how it works. We'll be around to help you, but I think it's pretty easy and you should get the hang of it pretty quickly.